Keeping memories alive, using photo apps.
Welcome back, friends. Today, let's step into the world of memories.
And learn how to store and share photos using apps.
Taking a photo is as easy as blinking. Just open the camera app. Point at the beautiful moment. And tap the button. Now that memory is yours to keep. Want to share that memory? Just tap on the share icon. It looks like this.
Select a contact.
And off it goes, just like sending a postcard. Want to organize your memories? Creating a photo album is as easy as sorting your old photo prints.
Open your Photos app, select the images you want.
And create a new album. It's like a digital photo album. Make your photos even more special with some editing.
Add filters, crop, or brighten your photos.
Your device is like your own personal photo studio. With technology, your memories are always just a click away. It's like carrying a photo album in your pocket. Your past, present, and future can coexist in one place. Never fear losing your precious memories again. Technology is like your personal museum, preserving your moments and sharing them with loved ones.
That's all for today, friends.
Keep capturing and keep sharing, because every moment is a story. See you in the next episode.